Shiba Inu needs to bounce here, and I think actually there is a good chance we could see a big bounce here for Shiba Inu, guys. Look at this price action now. This is very similar to what we saw on the 8th of April 2025 when the relative strength index, as you can see, dropped down really low, and it's done the same thing. It's done the same thing this June, 2 months later, and actually it looks like a massive area of support, kind of where we are right now. This is an interesting price region. I think we might see a bounce here. Of course, I don't know the future and I'm not a financial advisor, but we're down a lot here, guys. We're down 25% on the month. We're down 11% on the week. How much further down do we go is the question I can't help but ask myself. So, yeah, if you're buying cryptos, guys, make sure you use KSEX. I've got a wonderful 10% deposit bonus right now. Globally accessible and a no KYC exchange. So loads of people have moved over to this now, including myself. Do check it out. And one crazy thing happened. I met Michael Saylor on the weekend. How freaking awesome is that? So really cool to meet him in Bitcoin Prague, and was definitely worth going to watch him speak in general, and just being able to actually meet him, shake his hand, say thank you, was just so cool. So please, guys, do subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit 60k, and I think we can get there eventually. But I do need your help in order to hit that number. Now, what are we doing at the moment? So we got a $3.11 trillion crypto market. Of course, we've dropped down quite a bit, 30%. Now, there's nothing really to be worrying about at the moment. I understand there is a war, but if crypto is going to do its thing, crypto is different, right? Blockchain is different. Blockchain will still exist and still thrive regardless of all events, I think. It's the most, liquid, digitally accessible commodity that exists. And I think, this is different. This is different to gold. This is better than gold. All of crypto is better than gold. So yes, Shiba Inu is what we're talking about right now. It is actually stabilizing on the day at the moment. Hopefully we can get some more continuation to the upside. So yes, this is what we're seeing. The trade sideways. If we do lose this support, guys, we will drop heavily, I think, like down, maybe even another 40% down. So that's why it's so critical that we do not lose this area of support. And why it's also such an interesting area, it goes back to exactly where we broke out in February 2024, which is right here. This is where we had that first major breakout where things went absolutely just insane. The RSI went to 97, which is again why I think Shiba Inu buying here, it's either going to lose support so terribly, or it will actually prove to be a fantastic buying opportunity. So we can see actually Shiba very much looking like a big, beautiful falling wedge right now that we could potentially break out from. So I'm almost tempted to put a massive long trade in here for Shiba right now. And, I understand that it could go lower because of the news and stuff. But right now, if we don't get retaliation and things just stay good, we could see Shiba seriously bounce out of this pocket, out of this hole. We could come up to the golden fib. We could be looking at a 40% move to the upside in the next few weeks for Shiba, which would deliver a lot of profits for you people. What else we got, guys? We can quickly show you the trade wave indicator here that we're using now, which is making people some huge wins. It's $27.50 a month if you want it. The link is down below. And this has helped thousands of traders in my Discord also get huge trading wins and signals, whether it's short positions, long positions, guys. Yeah, join my Discord down below. Community is the place to make money, of course, in the crypto space. And this should help you make some extra gains out there in this market, guys. So yeah, fantastic stuff from the traders. My community is free to join. It's worth having a look at. Have a look down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord. And I can't wait to see you there. More faces is always a great thing. And you can also check out the Patreon too if you really want to maximize your crypto journey. We've got a few different, tiers here that you can look at. Crypto Degen, we've got Crypto Hunter, we've got Crypto Waiver. As you can see, all different tiers that give you, let's just read some of the benefits. You're going to get spot trade signals, leverage trade signals, early access to stealth launches, fair launches, and straight to DEX tokens, early access to pre-sales and ICOs. You're also going to get access to the ultra early VIP chat, and you're also going to get the trend wave indicator for free. By the way, it's included in the Crypto Legend package, so do have a look at it, guys. I think you'll really like it. This will help you achieve time, location, financial freedom, and become a better crypto trader. Before we leave, Bitcoin has slipped away from rank 6 here, back below silver and Google, but I think we will slowly pick back up, and the market is feeling neutral right now. think personally this is a bit delayed. Actually, we're probably feeling more fear than neutrality. But, you know, I think still we're in a great spot, guys. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very, very soon. Let me know what you think is going to happen with SHIBA. I am tempted to put through a long position because of everything I'm seeing here and the setup and the fact that this is such an integral layer of support. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Peace.